Holy moly, guys, look at this! What I have over here is something very special, and I'm pretty sure you might have never seen something like this before. So these days, I'm pretty sure a lot of people sit on your systems or laptops and keep using your mouse, maybe for your office work, a bit of productivity, or anything for extended hours of usage, right? And using a mouse for such longer periods could definitely cause discomfort in your hand. So Logitech has actually thought about this, and they've made something, like an innovative mouse over here, guys. This is their all new signature series Comfort Plus M850L, and this mouse literally has like a soft cushion at the top side. So when you actually place your hand on the mouse, it'll feel very comfortable when you use it, literally like a sofa for your hand. So I'm like very excited to see how the overall experience and basically how does it feel holding a mouse like this, guys. So in this video we'll be talking about that. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new wireless mouse from Logitech came in this sort of packaging. You've got a picture of the product on the front. The model, as I've told you, is signature series Comfort Plus M850L, and on the front you can check out all of its main highlights and features, which we'll anyhow talk about in this video. There's nothing much at the back side. Now it does mention that not for sale sticker on the packaging. Obviously this is a review unit from the brand, right? Anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife, tear this packaging and show you how the product looks like. So quickly opening it, the mouse came nicely packed like this, and along with that you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read this if you got time. And that's it. These are all the items we had in the package. There you go, boys. Our very first hands-on and look at Logitech signature series Comfort Plus M850L in this beautiful graphite color edition. Let me give you a closer look and first of all talk about the whole design and give you like a complete overview on the mouse. So at the beginning only I've told you, right, Logitech signature series Comfort Plus M850L was specifically made to offer you comfortable experience while using. That is the reason they've added like a soft cushion area for the palm. It comes in this classic graphite color with the Logi branding on the cushion area, and overall build quality seems decent. You've got a total of 6 buttons on board along with a dual speed scroll wheel, and quality of the buttons is definitely nice. They feel tactile and clicky, and in fact these main left and right click buttons feature Logitech's silent click technology, which reduces the click noise by almost like 90% compared to a regular mouse. And I've told you, right, the scroll wheel has like a dual speed function, so you can switch between precision mode for line by line precise scrolling, or if you want to scroll fast between lots of paragraphs, right, simply switch it to the fast scrolling mode as per your convenience. And apart from that, you're also getting like forward and backward buttons as well to the side, and these 4 buttons are like very easily customizable via Logitune. And here's how the bottom profile of the mouse looks like. You've got like good quality mouse feet at the top and bottom, M850L branding at the center, a button as well to switch between 3 connected devices seamlessly, and an advanced optical sensor which can offer up to a max DPI of up to 4000. Let me also quickly open up this battery compartment and show you. So the good thing is the mouse already comes included with a AA battery over here. Duracell AA battery is there, guys, so definitely appreciate that. And that is pretty much it, guys. Our complete overview on the whole design build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, pair it to my PC, and then share my experience with the overall comfort and basically how did I feel during my testing period. See, the Comfort Plus M850L has an ergonomic design, guys, and is specifically made for right-handed use. In fact, the whole shape is sculpted in such a way that it naturally fits in your hand. On top of that, the mouse also offers like extended rubber grips on the side and even a nice thumb rest as well. I mean, when you place your hand on it, right, the mouse feels very nice and comfortable to hold. And obviously, not to forget the main highlight is they've added like a soft cushion at the top side, which makes it one of a kind and super comfortable for your palm. See, I'm not exaggerating, guys. It actually feels comfortable when you're placing your hand on it. Unlike the regular feel of holding like a hard shell mouse, right, this one feels soft and relaxing when you place your hand on it. Especially helpful for people who work on their PC or laptop for long hours. And talking about the connectivity part, it's a wireless mouse and features dual connectivity options. It works via Bluetooth and even supports Logi Bolt USB-C wireless receiver. So choice is up to you. It works on multiple platforms, not only on your PC or Mac systems. You can even connect it to your smartphone as well with the help of Bluetooth. Alright then, let me share you my experience and basically feedback. As I've told you, I've been testing this mouse for the last couple of days for my day-to-day sort of activities, a bit of office work and obviously productivity. I am a content creator, right? And overall, right, I actually had like a good time with this mouse. Quality of the buttons is nice, and I really like the silent click technology as well because it doesn't disturb your neighbors. And even the optical sensor performance was nice. It was doing a good job easily tracking all my movements. And I've told you, right, it's got an adjustable DPI range up to 4000. And best part is the comfort experience on this mouse. So despite despite using it for like 5 to 6 hours a day also, I wasn't getting that tired, guys. Very little fatigue is what I can say. All thanks to that added cushion at the top side. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the battery life, right? Battery life is actually pretty good over here. Now the brand says that a single AA battery, which was already included in the package, will easily offer you up to like 24 months of battery life. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. Our video on Logitech signature series Comfort Plus M850L. See, only thing if I had to nitpick, right, the plastic material the brand have used on the body could have been slightly better considering the whole price point. The mouse roughly costs around like 5,895 rupees. I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video and found it useful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.